strong.
Hey guys, Elysian here, and today I've got a very special video. Today we're going to be opening up a Magic for Gathering Ikoria booster box. I've had been having my eye on buying a box for Magic for a very long time. I've never actually bought a full box because these are like £80 to £90, but I was able to get this a couple days ago. Well, ordered a couple days ago and arrived today, so yeah. So there are a couple cards for white green that I really want to try and pull, and there's also a couple black cards and some white black, because there's a commander deck I'm thinking about building from this. And I'm wondering if we could try and pull any of the like the Godzilla cards. So yeah, each box has 36 packs, I believe. 36. Yeah, 36 packs. So let's start up. So got my cool little penknife here to open it. There we go. So yeah, there we go. Man, this box seems hard. Okay, and we also get a Ikoria. We also get the seal products. So never actually opened one of these before. Here we go. We got our first, like, of the, I guess, the Godzilla kind of archetype, which is actually pretty cool. It's green. I may actually use this in my commander, maybe. So let's get on in there with the packs openings. A couple days ago I did a bundle box, which was actually pretty cool. Like, quite a lot of cards in these packs, which is, I think, always a good thing, really. Got shark. Something I don't understand. Why does a shark token have flying? I opened one of those in one of the last Magic videos. Kind of confused by that. Like, Discount visions. More cat. Oh, okay. Flying sky. Hey, we got some more of those tokens. Well, counters. Like, I like the idea of this because I always sometimes get confused on which tokens what my cats have equipped to them. So something like that is pretty cool. No. So something like this is pretty good. Hoping we can pull a Godzilla-like creature in this set, well, in this box today. That'd be pretty cool if we can. Like, we've got enough. Don't know how long this probably be one of my longest videos so far, maybe. Well, like box opening. So it's another one of this land. We got dinosaur. Nice. I have a friend who, like, I think when I first saw him play Magic, I think it was his Dino deck he was very happy and excited about. Come on, there we go. So, no dogs barking at probably the Hoover. Turtle, monkey, cat. Like, didn't they release didn't they release a plummet, like, was the last set or the set before that? I don't know. No, that's just... Okay, we got like we got a big old parrot. I don't actually remember what art that is. And what is this? As each game begins, you can place one card. I don't actually know what type of card this is. I've never seen a card like this. Oh, the companion. Okay, that must be new for this set, I guess. Never seen a companion card before. I see this card, it doesn't really look like a green, it just looks like a black. I guess it's because of the art style. Probably. We got another one like it. Nice little blue-red land. So yeah, if you guys want to like have sneak peeks of like videos and like stuff I'm doing, then make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, I usually post some stuff on there like future decks and boxes, maybe even like little things here and there. So it's always good to like keep an eye out. Because let's see, I posted this on Instagram today. Well, a photo of the box, but this probably won't be on YouTube in the next couple of days. Maybe tomorrow or day is it today? Today's Thursday, so maybe Saturday or Friday. Oh, we got a big boy shark. The art style reminds me of an artist I like, yeah, Dan Mudford. He's done a couple of magic cards in the day. Oh, sweet. So, may try and like get them maybe. What's that big old armadillo? No, turtle. Looks like an armadillo. This could be handy since I am gonna be playing a white-black deck next. There's a creature, beast elemental dinosaur, kind of like the cat bird. That's kind of funny. I wonder what creates tokens of a cat bird. That would be a funny token to make. So yeah, guys don't know, I make and sell tokens to my local like game store. Say game store. Well, yeah. Well, what was it, internet cafe? I can't remember what we call it, but yeah, I design tokens and sell them. Which is good. Gives me muns. It was able to get me in like more than enough to buy like a box like this after saving since I think it was early last year. Made more than enough. So I probably won't be buying another box like this for some time. Well, until lockdown's finished, because I can't really afford to buy any more boxes. Like I can't afford to buy any major boxes like the 36 or either Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon or Magic. So you know what I'm actually started for? Sorting all of this, because I like to sort stuff. It's a little thing I have. I think sorting is quite fun. It keeps me occupied. Just wish I had more storage space. While I was at the fort, which is this is the store that I volunteer at, I'll just be able to lob and sort upstairs, but don't really have a lot of way to do that at my house. Ooh, shiny bird. So, don't really know what else. So yeah, I won't be able to do stuff like this in the future, until the lockdown is finished. But who knows? Maybe I can do like a little token video. Ooh. Legendary creature cat beast. Companion. No, that's probably what this is for. I'll have to get that much better read later. So, sorry, I was being called. So, one of those tokens, which I'm actually going to be happy if I get more of these than like tokens, because I think they're more used in a way. Ooh. Okay. What is she doing? Oh, banging. Oh, actually, it's probably my brother. Elk. So, oh, she's getting a shower ready. Okay, hopefully that doesn't come up on camera too loudly. Like, I think we've seen most, like, oh hello, Cat Nightmare. It's another companion. Cool. I may run that in my my black deck maybe. Looks very interesting. Probably is. So yeah, after this video I'm gonna have a really long look at every single card in here. Well, every card I could use. If it's a color I can destroy, turn off, air drop. If I can't really use it, then I'll just give it to one of my friends. Come on. There we go. Like, still no elusive Godzilla yet. I'm surprised I actually put Godzilla in here. Isn't that like a certain trademark thing, Godzilla, or is it literally just any old girl or something? Another one of the Karen Whispers. I think I got that already in the last one. Another one of these cards though, which I don't really use because I don't really use a deck that uses both green, blue and black. I just run a deck of pure black and a deck of white green. And one of these. Nice. Big cat. Like, if I see a cat, I'm obviously going to take my, have it a lot longer, because obviously with my own cat deck, I should probably do that after this, really, shouldn't I? Dinosaur. Information card. Goat Man Cthulhu. And a nice looking blue red white land. There you go. Nope, dropped a couple. Sometimes I forget how many cards you get in these magic packs. Like 15 cards? That's a lot more than Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon. So you get a lot more than you get your money's worth, maybe? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 8 packs left. See if we can try to pull that loose Godzilla. Nope, we got a big cat guy. Make sure I'm not putting a token with the others. Nope. long pile. You go there. I've got like multiple playsets maybe, so I guess like having multiple playsets of certain cards is pretty good. So like last 3 packs. So let's get in there. I can get the damn thing open. Okay. Well, lizard, nice looking lizard beast. And we got a turtle. Okay. More counters. Okay, last pack of magic. What can we end off? We ended off with a little flying cat bird, which is pretty cute. So, and today, I might not have pulled a Godzilla, but we did pull a couple of really good generic cards, which is always a good thing in my book. Pull out good generic cards and you have a lot of working material. But yeah, that's been my box opening of the latest Ikoria set. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video and listened to my rant. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.